Okay, we're here for our jet boat ride. Memorial Day. I guess Kathy's gonna sign us in.
Running salmon and steelhead bring anglers to try their luck. Fall and spring Chinook salmon.
Where are we going?
Coho salmon provide
Rogue Jets, Pacific Ocean. Okay. Well, they got a good many jet boats there on the Rogue River. You got a waiting line up here. Well, everybody's waiting anticipation. All right. Very good. Okay.
Is get your own picture taken.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take a left-hand turn around the fuel dock here. Nose into the
Hoses for you, baby.
Yeah, it sure is.
Whitewater design powered by marine engines. Each engine produces about 370. So if I need to stop, chances are we might see a few of these. Up and down the river today, they do not require salt.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them in there. Swimming over here. There you go. Whoa.
Bridge, named after Oregon's 18th governor. It's 1,932 feet long. No wish by coincidence, it's also the year of its completion, 1915. It is the only bridge. From us on the left, just around the point a little bit, there's a great blue heron.
Pretty, yeah,
Yeah.
look at it.
He's a full-time.
There he goes.
Should see a lot of them today. Most of them are kind of camera shy.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Numerous and large craters in the front end. Now the large rock is called Massacre Rock. It gets its name because soldiers and settlers laid an ambush on top of it and shot and killed 2 canoes full of Indians as they passed underneath. It was in retribution for an attack made upon Ellensburg that they killed the wrong Indians. And in fact killed some that were friendly with the settlers. And original 8 rivers listed. Under this listing, 3 designations: wild, scenic, and recreational. We're now going into the recreational portion. 10 miles upstream we'll enter to the scenic, and then 8 miles above Agnes we'll go into the wild. 12 more miles before we turn around at the bottom of Blossom Bar Rapids. Now each one of these points becomes a bit more restrictive as to the amount of access and development that's allowed along the road's banks and waterways. Stopping spot for fishermen, campers, swimmers, Lasagna is an Indian word. It's clear water. If you look left, fork-top fir tree, another large nest, a couple birds in it.
Nest up here.
Bald eagles and a bald eagle's nest. I believe they are setting on some eggs and chicks at this point. I haven't seen any young
See
ones,
one over
though.
there.
On. Unless, of course, people start sliding around, we have to slow them down. What do you think? Did you like the spin?
Yeah,
Everybody not like the spin.
I like them.
For those of you who do not like the spin out, you'll probably just want to jump overboard, swim to the bank. We'll pick you up on the way back.
Can you get him,
Yeah.
the pilot or captain or whatever his name is?
I don't know.
All right. You guys are doing great with this bit. You're on your own from here on up. I start sliding sideways. I can extend the boat. Brace yourself up.
It's trying to wet us. Road up there.
Yeah.
We're now entering Skookum House Canyon. Skookum House Canyon gets its name from Skookum House View, top of the mountain on our right-hand side. Now, during the Indian Wars in 1852 and 56, Indians had a fortress up there to protect themselves, translated Skookum means strong, house being fort, or strong fort. Rather large fish, a throwback to prehistoric times. Could be up to 8-9 feet in length with 500-600
Sturgeons.
pounds. It's got a long snout, sucker mouth, bony plates on its sides, a shark's tail. It's kind of an olive drab green color. Big hit. Former owner of the mailboats and a pilot at the time. A guy by the name of Gary Combs was idling through this section of the river, talking to his people, when a rather large sturgeon jumped out of the water, landed on the bow of the boat, started thrashing around. It kicked out the front windshield and then slid back off into the river. Well, the lady in the front row into complete hysteria. She started screaming, scratching, clawing away over the tops of the people in seats before Gary could get her stopped at the back of the boat. All she could say was, "I thought it was Jaws." Now, Gary always said that he wished he could get his turn. This is the site of the location of the last Rogue River Indian battle, the last of the holdouts that would not surrender and be put on reservations, were either killed or captured right here. It's its name for the coloration of its walls. Now, one time it was a proposed site for a hydroelectric dam. Had they installed the dam, it would have backed the river up over 60 miles, almost all the way to Grants Pass. And we have a pretty healthy population of all these.
Where is it?
So that's what they're at north of 60 miles. At least that means you would also mix. These birds don't migrate, they stay here year round.
No kidding. It's majestic.
We're now entering the small community of Agnes, my home. Same one-room schoolhouse that my mother went to, my children went to. No, it wasn't at the same time. Black-tailed deer. Right in front of us. Kind of tucked into the willows.
Oh,
there.
yeah, see him up here. The deer. On
The deer?
Shore. Right in front of you.
Yeah, little babies.
Yeah.
There's 3 or 4 of them there.
Yeah.
Black-tailed deer range from Central California up into British Columbia, Alaska, inland as far as the rainforest. Average weight of mature adult, somewhere between 80 and 120 pounds.
Get him.
Trail on the top of the hill. Take a left to the bathroom. Alright.
Okay.
There's the bathroom break only, okay? When we come back, we'll put life jackets on, go up in the white water, splash around for 2 hours, then we come back and eat lunch, alright? Stretch your legs, use the bathroom.
Yeah, the fun stuff's coming up now. Oh well. Lane Lodge, bathroom break, but we on the way back after 2 hours of white water, we're gonna eat
Come back and
barbecue.
have some barbecue.
You can have barbecue? Organics.
I'll ask what the vegetarian option is, but I might get the meat, and then that way, if you want more, there'll be more. But I'll see if the vegetarian is real appetizing. If it's just more beans and bread, I don't. I'll take the meat. But now you need to be careful here, babe.
I know, it's
'cause
loose rocks. Hold me, babe.
That's right.
Electronic devices, phones, cameras. It's getting warm, and it'll probably continue to get warmer throughout the day. If we get up here someplace and you want to remove a coat, that's free. Just wave at me or raise your hand someplace where we're stopped. Take off your life jacket, remove your coat. Before us was called the Coon Rock Bridge. That's one of the bridges that survived the 1964 flood. Although water went over the roadway, leaving long debris stacked up on the railing. It's also where Forest Service Road number 33 crosses from the south, goes up the north-hand side 4 more miles to Foster Bar. At that point, you can no longer access the Rogue River by public road until you get 40 miles upstream to Grave Street, other end of the wild zone.
So you like that, eh?
Ripple is called 2 Mile. It'll be the first of many Class 3 ripples that we will be going through this. Who noticed that the sedimentary rock on our left-hand side was tipped up on edge, creating sort of a natural smooth box. So we got the idea to dam up the river and mine out the gold. Well, after 2 months of hard work, they did just that. They dammed it up, diverted the flow over to the north-end side of the canyon. They got started mining, only got 2 days in. River roads that wiped out their entire project. They never tried it again after that. killed here. They were crossing cattle when a bull knocked him off his horse. He's washed downstream. He went to crawl out on the rock. But if you look out in front of us, right-hand side, you can see a live oak tree growing out of the top of a plain rock. Some people call that the bonsai tree. Most of us just call it the regular old oak tree. In 1972, National Geographic magazine did a couple of raft trips down the Rogue River where they made a documentary or an article. And on the cover of their magazine was this live oak.
Huh.
So if I had a nickel for every picture taken of it since then, I would be a rich man. You can see where the tap root goes down the side of the rock there. At one time there was another half of this rock and it grew down through a crack until it found the soil and water. But at some point floods came along and knocked that half of the rock away and left the tree. I've heard a few people say it was a 64 flood that did it. They're wrong. Not that I was here in 64. But I know a few people who were, and they said it's always looked like that. Well, this is the beginning of Clay Hill Stillwater, in my opinion, one of the prettier parts of the lower 52 miles of the Rogue River this time of year with its numerous waterfalls. Beginning of Clay Hill Rapids, one of the more technical ones. That's why they call it the bone. Okay, I get it.
Huh? Yeah, it's pretty clear water. He's making her do all the work. Eh? Look up here. Might get a little wet here. Here's a puppy over here. buzzardy.
And out in front of us, Clay Hill Lodge. Clay Hill Lodge is rafting, hiking, powerboating. No roads in this area. In the lower river.
Take it out east.
This one, talked to him one day. They told me they thought they should have named it Giraffe Tree. It's possible it could be an Indian sign. You need to take a piece of rawhide, tie a tree down in this way, make it grow like that to act as a sign. Maybe to mark a trailhead. Or a village. These are all commercial outfitters here going by us. If you guys ever want to raft on the Rogue River and do not have the equipment to do so, lots of options out there. Just look up Rogue River Rafting online. Everything from deluxe trips where you stay in a lot. And up higher and more left on the flat, you can see an old fireplace. That belongs to what they called the old general's cabin. Now in the 50s, early 60s, there were 4 prominent generals that would come in here on fishing trips. They'd fly them in with a bush plane, land them on the gravel bar downstream on the left-hand side. Get a couple of guides either out of the Go Beach or Agnes area. Come in and guide them. So the most famous and prominent of the 4 was General Curtis LeMay, Army Air Corps, World War II, head of the Pacific Theater. He's the one that orchestrated the bombing of Japan.
Bar Lodge.
I'll go there. Now there is a Trinity Bears ship up there. That's Paradise Creek or Paradise Falls. Falcon Bar Rapids, our turnaround point. There appears to be a clear path with one big boulder, water spilling over the top of it. That's the picket fence. Don't want to go that way. It's called a Class 3 move or Class 5 consequence. There's just a couple of poles on the board, and you go from right, some left, and take your way down to the boulders after that. You miss it and end up with the picket fence. Very seldom does it turn out nice. Most of the time, push your boat over. Pins up in the rock. Spend the rest of the day trying to round up the stuff and drag your boat out. And yes, there's a couple of rocks in there that are notorious for holding people under with their life jackets on them from one place. So you'll want to scout this one out if you're ever after it. You'll see people all the time up on the left-hand side watching where the boats go, fixing their line, watching the water. If you have somebody in your party that's knowledgeable,
The weather. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's gonna be wetter. We got lunch, and that's it.
lost the hats?
Couple of them.
Yeah, that's standard.
You're lucky you made it this far. He has a reputation.
Yeah.
Got a pretty good hat. That's right.
Sorry to hear about your dog.
Yeah. We caught one here 2 weeks ago. We lost Jumbo at Adamsbury. Hey, Johnny, you were busy.
I'm going, folks.
You should have grabbed a hold of me.
I really hope you make it.
Shook.
Well, I'll slow down here for a minute if anybody wants to put a coat or a sweatshirt on. For riding along with me today. I hope you had a good time. Now take a quick look around and make sure you're not leaving anything. And if you have a let's see, the pictures are across the street in the gift shop, and don't forget somebody on board this boat's won a free picture. You're gonna want to swing by over there and check it out. While you're up there, go into the office, fill out a comment card, tell us how we're doing. Remember, my name's John, boat's name the Taylor King.
Pretty view. Coming back from Gold Beach after a jet boat tour. But beautiful scenery. Look at the size of these rocks. Man. That's a nice beach down there, though. A lot of times there's no sand.
If you like freezing temperatures and 100 mile an hour winds.
Yeah.
Okay, some kind of natural bridge, right? Natural bridge. That's a nice little walkway. So that's it right there.
Natural bridges.
Well,
Sweet. Yeah, he's a soft boy. Yeah.
There's another one over here. Hello.
Well, hello. Hi, you. Oh, you're soft too. Look at them, look at each other.
Yeah, it says no camping.
No overnight parking, and they've been
They're
there.
all there.
Now,
Look
one
at-
guy lives there, obviously.
Oh yeah. They obviously are not. Look at this.
California enforcing.
Oregon.
Or, oh, yeah, it's Oregon. Well,
Same thing.
Same difference, yeah.
I mean, they're
They
not
don't
doing anything to
enforce the
them.
laws, yeah.
Welcome to Brooking. The homeless are right there camped out. I guess they're not homeless. They got RVs.